Hey guys, so today I'm going to give you guys some tips on how to use the cream palette as far as like the blush and the lipstick. So there's a lot of cream palettes out there and they're all different brands, different colors of course. And there's a way to use them. So if, for example, you guys have the cream palettes, which is for blush, you can also use that for lipstick. So the way to do it, you can use your fingers using that on your palette, and then you actually, for a lighter look version, you're just gonna apply that all over your lips, and then the same color you're gonna do it on your cheeks. So it's so easy. And then if you want to use also a brush, you can do that as well, as far as getting your lip brushes, put them in on the lips color, and then you could go ahead and paint your lips with it, and then grab those brushes for your cheeks, go ahead and get a little bit and just use that also. And if you want that cream lips to last, what you're gonna do is actually grab any setting powder. You can go ahead and grab a little bit of that and just put it all over with your fingers, or get a brush and that will work, and it could be as a longer wearing lips. Okay, I want to do it again. Hey guys, it's me again. So today I'm going to give you guys some tips on how to use a palette which is for creams. Hey guys, today I'm going to give you guys some tips on how to use cream palettes on your lips and also your cheeks. So there's a lot of brands out there that you can actually pick and get it from. Either it's a drugstore, Sephora. So what you'll do is you can grab one of those palettes, or even just a single one, that's okay. So if it's cream, you can go ahead and use those for your cheeks and also your lips. So there's ways to do it real quick. Get a palette. I have one at home myself and it's amazing. Different colors. I have purple, pink, red, orange, whatever. You guys can mix them. And the way to do it actually is you're gonna grab your finger, or if you have a brush, you may do so. That's gonna be a little bit more of a coverage. Grab that lips cream, and then you can actually spread it all over your lips. Again, get something on your palette, put it all over your cheeks, and that will be your blush. And if you want to use your brush for a little bit more coverage, a little bit more full, you know, thicker, whatever, so go ahead and use the brush on your lips, and also use that brush for your cheeks as well. It's so easy, and if you want those creams to last, I would highly suggest that if you get a setting powder somewhere, it has to be translucent, so you can go ahead and powder your lips and also do it on your cheeks, and that's the only way that's gonna last, give you that longer wearing. Okay, I'm gonna do it again. Hey guys, so today I'm going to give you guys some tips on how to use a cream palette. So there's a lot of cream palettes out there, and you can get them anywhere, either the drugstore or Sephora or any high-end stores out. And even if you get the palette cream ones, there's always single ones as well too, if you just want to kind of learn. There's a way to do it so you don't have to, you know, purchase more lip colors, or, you know, however you want to call it. So at home I have some Morphes, I have some Too Faced, I have some Tarte cream blushes, and there's always a way to do it, and just kind of like put it on your lips. If you want some lighter looking as far as coverage, you would go ahead and use your finger, apply that all over, and then after that you can go ahead and spread that on your cheekbones. And if you want to go ahead and use the brush, you may do that as well. It's going to be a little bit more of a heavy coverage, and you can see more color when it comes to that. And if you felt like, okay, I'm wearing something that's cream and it's not lasting, so what I would suggest is for you guys to grab any translucent powder, one of those setting powder, just dust a little bit on your lips, and then do the same thing for your cheeks, and then that one, it's going to give you that longer wearing, you know, as far as colors for lips and cheeks. So, you know, that's all for now. Thank you. Hey guys, so today I'm gonna give you guys some tips on how to use a cream palette when it comes to lips and also your cheeks. There's a way to do it. There's so many brands out there that have those little palettes, and if you have any single ones, that's okay as well. You can learn how to use them. So suggestions on that: get your creams in front of you. Whatever you're gonna use, it could be purple, it could be pink, it could be red, whatever it is, you can go ahead and mix them if you want to. The only way I like getting cream palettes for myself, it's because there's two ways to do it. You can also do that on your lips and cheeks. So that way you don't have to buy separate, products when it comes to your face. So for lips, you go ahead and grab that color that you wanted. Use the brush, use your finger, whatever. Just go ahead and lip line your lips. Use the lip liner and then go ahead and color them. And if you want to have that lips to be a longer wearing, as far as maybe all night or whatever, just go ahead and grab a setting powder. Dust that all over your lips, and then you're there. You're gonna have like that longer wearing lip color. And the same thing with your blush. Go ahead and grab that cream palette. Put a little bit on your cheekbones. You can use your finger and also your brush. And when you're done doing so, you can go ahead and grab that setting powder and just kind of dust on your cheeks, all over your face. And then there, you're going to have a longer wearing powder and lips. So that's all for now. Thank you so much, you guys. Don't forget to subscribe.